I've been driving the 2024 Mustang EcoBoost all day today. I got the car off Turo because it's been one of the cars that I've seen on the road, and it is gorgeous. You see this car white black. I've seen it in the dark blue, the slate gray, that matte gray color that every single person seems to be enjoying on newer cars, and it is a beauty. It rumbles and it feels, it feels bigger. You feel the weight when you're driving it, but you can't have it all, right? It can't be throwing its nose in, planted the whole time, especially in the entry-level spec. I am positive the GT or the Dark Horse, with the new dampening and suspensions upgrade that it has had in comparison to the last model, it is probably night and day, right? So I cannot wait to drive those cars, and later in the year I'm going to be in the V8. I'm hoping to drive the Dark Horse because I think that thing is an absolute powerhouse of a car. Again, the styling is fantastic. The way it looks is second to none in my opinion. They killed it with that Dark Horse. So very impressed by the EcoBoost engine. If you're looking for sub $50,000 entry-level sports car, this definitely needs to be in your pick. The idle sounds fantastic on this car. I am so impressed. It's been warmed up all day. Idle sounds amazing. I've just changed the gauges to the original classic 67-68 gauge cluster. It is so much fun. Right now I am in slippery mode, so let's change that to something a bit more appropriate, which is going to be the sport mode right now, because it could actually stretch its legs and get get it going. And it is so unique. I think Ford did a phenomenal job, to say the least, with, again, all the options and how much customization you get in the new Mustang. I'm not too sure if the old models, because I haven't driven them, offers you the same customization, but again, the classic rev counter that I have here on the left is absolutely perfect. It's clean. That LCD display, I guess, is very nice, and every single person, the 5 people that I've had in this car so far today, have loved it. They keep saying the exact same. It's making the right sound. It picks up. For the 350 pounds-foot of torque that it has, you feel it. In comparison to most other cars where it might have that pickup, but the engine noise, the cabin feel, it doesn't give the same response, right? A very big thing is how the car makes you feel, and this is a muscle car. It's fantastic, right? I'm looking in the mirrors through the meta glasses right now. I'm sure it's recording, but when you look into that right-hand mirror, all you see is the hips of the car. You see the little dimple. Again, it's such a fun car to be in. And for the $42,000 spec of this car, black on black, it is it's well worth the money.